Saxon got involved in starting this program back in 2009, primarily because of what was happening in the global stock markets. And so we felt like by setting up an investment competition, it would be a way of educating the public generally and our members specifically on how markets operate.
Silver Thatch were so excited to get involved in sponsoring the investment competition in conjunction with Saxon, because most of these children, or all of these children, eventually are going to be working in our community and actually be participating in pension plans here. So we think it's really important that they understand from a very young age what the importance is of saving and for investing in their future.
Building public-private partnerships is one of the priority areas of the Minister of Education, the Honourable Tara Rivers. The Ministry is engaged with a number of public-private partnerships across the island, and we're very happy to support this particular partnership where it looks at finance and investing, as finance is one of the major industries in the Cayman Islands.
Well, One Tradex was happy to get involved in the investment challenge and partner with Saxon. If you can get financial freedom and be confident that if there's an emergency or when your retirement comes that you're going to have enough money to be comfortable, that just lowers the stress that people have, and it's a really good thing to see when we can help students develop those skills and hopefully eventually build their portfolios and develop some wealth that will give them that freedom and independence.
We're really pleased that we came in first and second this year. We have been successful many times in the stock market competition, and we certainly look forward to continuing because it does give the opportunity to a lot of our students, whether they do business or accounting, to put into practice the skills that they're learning in their lessons.
We bought shares from companies such as Disney and Netflix because we knew they're very successful at the time, as Disney just released a new movie and Netflix made a profit on one of their biggest shows. So we thought that would be the best thing to invest in at the time.
I really like how it follows the real-time stock market. So I think it gives us a really good experience.
Not gonna lie, when I first started, I just traded. I didn't really look at anything. That cost us some money, but at the end, I still learned how to do it. But yeah.
It was only challenging because we have to keep up to date with all the businesses and what's going up and going down so that we can sell it in time.
I'm really impressed by how they quickly learn many tricks that brokers use much later in their career. And I think the key is that they are not facing the business risk that most people face when they trade, when they use the stock market as an investment tool.
8 years downstream, the competition is still going on. We still have 14 to 19-year-olds who are performing reasonably well, getting pretty great returns over 6 months. And it's testimony to the power of investing versus the power of consuming.